Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to design a photo in Instagram story and save it, right? So you want to go ahead and click on your Instagram story there in the uppermost left hand side, right? And you want to tap on your camera. Now once you do that, go ahead and click on create, which is the A on the left hand side. That will take you into create mode. And then you want to go ahead and tap on this smiley face paper that you'll find in the middle at the top there. That will give you more options here. Now once you do that, guys, you have all different kind of options and things that you can choose from, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on the multiple photos option here, and I'm going to choose a few options from my phone. So I'm going to choose this photo here. I'm going to click on it again, select a few more pictures, right? Just some pictures, right? They might be the same, but just for you to get the idea what you can do here. I'm going to select another picture here, and I'm going to click on that again, and I will just simply choose this, for example. Click on it again, and I will choose this one, Sunday. Funny, right? Just something like that, right? And I'm going to simply click on that, and I'm going to write something like happy Sunday, right? Something like that, guys. Yeah. Once you do that, guys, now let's say you finish with your picture, you love your picture. Let me make some changes here so that this looks really nice. Tap on this again a few times. And in order to change this, guys, just simple tap on the picture and you can basically change the shape. Very easy stuff here, right? Turn this one into a star. You get the idea, right? So once you make the changes that you want and you want to save the picture now from the Instagram story, just simple click on the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and now you have saved. So it will basically save and download this to your phone. So go ahead and tap on that, and as you can see, it's processing, and then you can simply come out of this. You can discard it now because you no longer need it. Now if you go to your pictures, now you have it as a picture, guys. And this is my terribly designed skills. I'm sure you can do much more amazing stuff with your Instagram story. And I'm sure that you can design a lot more fascinating things than my story design here, right? So that's how you basically do it, guys. Easy way how you can use your Instagram story to design your own photos and save them on your phone for future use. Thank you very much and see you next time.